Hello everyone. Today let us start with the new topic board mass, which you already studied last year. So here first we will go for the D mass rule. What is D mass rule? It is an abbreviation for all the operations what is being done. That is D mass, D-M-A-S. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So this is what we have to study first, D mass. You already studied it. Which way you have to start doing the problem. That is any problem containing different operations and more than two operations you can do in different ways. First you can start with subtraction, then you can start with addition. Any ways you can do it, so that you will be getting different answers for a single question. So for that the scientists or the mathematicians, they have evolved a rule which is called as D mass. With this D mass rule you have to do it. That is, when a problem you are getting with more than two operations, you have to follow the rule as D mass. I hope it is clear. So D, first one what you have to do, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So first you have to do division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Board mass is also an abbreviation for doing the problems which with all the first letters of each items given there. That is, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So here comes bracket, then comes off. Off is type of multiplication, but when off is coming you have to do off in the first place. Then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here board mass, which is the abbreviation, that is taken all the first alphabet of these operations. Okay, now comes different types of brackets. Last year we only studied this type of bracket, which is what we call it as common bracket, but different brackets are there. So according to the bracket also there is a rule to do it. Which bracket you should do first? Many brackets will be coming in a single problem. So which bracket you have to do? That one you have to know it. So different types of brackets are there, that we will study now. Okay, so different types of bracket. The first one we will go for, this is it, single line. Okay, when a number is written 4 minus 3, it is written like this way. That means it is a bracket. This 4 minus 3 is under a bracket or inside a bracket. This bracket we call it as bar bracket. This is called as bar bracket, or one more name is there which we normally we never use that, but you should know it what it is. This win column. Win column. Understood? It is called as bar bracket or win column. So we will be using as bar bracket for easier thing. Otherwise you can use it as win column. Okay. Now the next one, the second bracket is this common bracket what we are using till now. This is called as simple bracket. Simple bracket, or you can call it as parenthesis. How? Parenthesis. Parenthesis. It is called as parenthesis. Simple bracket or parenthesis. Okay. Now next, third bracket is, this is called as the curly bracket. This is called as curly bracket. And now the fourth one is square bracket. I hope you got it. The first bracket is bar bracket or win column. second one is simple bracket or parenthesis, third one is curly bracket, and fourth one is square bracket. This is the order how you have to do it. These are the different brackets, and the order which you have to do is, first you have to do the numbers operation under this bar bracket. Then you have to see whether the simple bracket is there. So, you have to do the operations inside the simple bracket, then go for the curly bracket, and then go for the square bracket. That is the order you have to use for the brackets in board mass. Not only in board mass, in any of the problems when different brackets are coming, this is the order you have to follow. The first one is bar bracket, second one is simple bracket, third is curly bracket, and fourth is square bracket. I hope you have written. The question is 1 by 3 plus 7 by 9 divided by 7 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 4. There is one bracket in between this. This one is the bracket. Simple, one simple bracket is there. But how many operations are coming? 3 operations are coming, that is plus, division, and then multiplication. What I am going to do is that I am just going to draw a small line near to this so that you can do the calculations there. Okay. So, now first itself what you have to do? You have to rewrite this question with this mixed fraction, converting it into improper fraction. So, I will do first that one. This one is equal to 1 by 3 plus 7 by 9 divided by 7 by 10 multiplied by 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 4. Okay. Now, which one you have to do? What is inside the bracket? So, for board mass, bracket comes in the first position. So, 7 plus by 10 into 5 by 4 you have to do. So, what I am going to do is that here itself I am going to do in this column multiplied by 5 by 4. Okay, where the operation straight to that I am doing it. Just see it. Okay. Now, we are having this 5 as a common factor here. So, this is 7 by 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. I am not doing all the things there. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So, this comes as 7 by 8. So, here 1 by 3 plus 7 by 9 divided by, what we got the answer? 7 by 8. We got the answer as 7 by 8. Now, which operation we have to do? We have to do the division operation. Okay, according to D mass, division you have to do. So, division I am just writing it straight to this one line. 7 by 9 divided by 7 by 8. How you will write it? 7 by 9 multiplied by reciprocal of 7 by 8 is 8 by 7. So, this one time each it will go. So, you are getting it as 8 by 9. So, I will write it here 1 by 3 plus 8 by 9. Now, only one operation is there, that is plus sign, addition. So, you have to find the LCM and do it. So, I am going to do it there itself. So, here 9 is the LCM. So, 1 by 3 by 8 by 9. So, 3 plus 8 by 9, what is equal? 11 by 9. So, you are getting it as 11 by 9, 11 by 9. 11 by 9, you can reduce it again, you can make it into mixed fraction. So, you are getting it as 1, 2 by 9. You can divide it if you do not know how to do it. I think it is very simple. 11 by 9. 11 how many times will 9 how many times will go in 11? 1 time it will go. So, balance is 2. So, you got it as 1, 2 by 9. I hope you understood. Please do it according to this way itself. That is, each one you have to do. Just show this steps here itself. Without doing this, you will lose marks, because for in case of marks, you have to do the steps. According to steps, the teachers will be giving you the marks. So, steps should be there in a straight away. If you are doing all the things in the working column and doing the answer, only writing the answer, you will not get the marks, that you know it very well. So, just do it the steps and write it. Clear? Okay. So, one more question we will do. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9 of 9 by 22 minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here we don't have any mixed fractions, so straight away we can start doing this. So first one, what you have to do, we have to do the bracket, the operation inside the bracket. So this is equal to, we will do straight away here itself, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9, here 9 is the LCM. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 by 3 multiplied by 3 plus 5 by 9, that is equal to 6 plus 5 by 9, that is 11 by 9. Okay, 11 by 9. I am writing this 11 by 9 here, of 9 by 22 divided by 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now which one we have to do? After bracket we have to do off. If off is there, you have to do off. O stands for off. So this one you have to do. So what is that? 11 by 9 multiplied by 9 by 22. 9 will go one time each. Here 11 will go 1 and in 22 2 times. So what you are getting here? You are getting it as 1 by 2. That is, this we will write it as 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now, which one you have to do? Now here, division is there, multiplication is there and subtraction is there. You have to start with division. So, we will go for the division problem. This one. So, 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. So, we will do the calculation in this area. 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. It comes as 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 2 by 3. It is 3 by 2. So, the answer you are getting it as 3 by 4. Now, here it is 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now, which one you have to do? Multiplication you have to do. It's very simple one. 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 5. 4 and 4 cancels. Isn't it? One time each it will go. So, the answer you are getting it here as 3 by 5. So, it is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here both are like fractions. So, straight away you can subtract it. That is 3 minus 1 by 5, that is 2 by 5. Got it? It's very simple, right? So, if you are doing the operations just to the where you are writing it, it will be easy for you. One, that is first we done the bracketed one, the operation inside the bracketed one. So, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9. So, we got the answer as what? 11 by 9. We did the problem there. We got the answer as 11 by 9 of 9 by 22 is the next off operation you have to do. So, that we done and we got it as 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Then we did the division. So, we got the answer as 3 by 4 there. Okay. And then 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Then we done the multiplication. So, you got it as 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. I hope you got it. Just consider this as a game and different levels are there. If you are not passing one level, you will not be able to go to the next level, higher level. So, each step consider it as a level and then reach the ultimate answer. Okay. Third question. 46 minus, this is the square bracket, inside the square bracket 26 minus, now comes curly bracket, 14 minus, then comes a simple bracket 15 minus 4 divided by 2 is inside a bar bracket and then multiplied by 2 and then we are closing all the brackets. So, this one you didn't study it. Different types of brackets are coming and one by one you have to do the operation inside each what I told you, each brackets, and this way we have to solve the problem. So, just what we done the other problems, here also the same way. You have to write all these things together, and then step by step we will solve each steps, each brackets. So here I already drawn a line there so that we can do the operations. Now the first one is, this is only with, here I have written a problem without any fractions, with whole number, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So this is a question without any fractions. We will do this first. So which one inside the bracket? We have to first, according to board mass rule, we have to use the solve which one? The brackets you have to solve. Here 4 types of brackets are there. So that also I told you which one should come first, which one you should solve first. Which one we have to solve first? This 4 divided by 2. So we are going to do this. I am just underlining that section so that it will be easy for you to know. So we are just dividing 4 divided by 2, it is 2. You will get 2 as the answer there. Again we are writing everything down. Minus 14, 4 divided by 2. Don't go for this bracket, this sign, because the sign is outside the bracket. Okay, the sign is outside the bracket. You only have to see what is under this bracket, that is 4 divided by 2. So that minus sign I have written, and 4 divided by 2 we got it answer as 2 multiplied by 2. Then close all the brackets. Now which bracket you have to do? We have to do the, what is inside this common bracket. Here inside this common bracket 2 operations are coming. What are they? Subtraction and multiplication. So here what you have to do? You have to do multiplication first, and then you have to do the subtraction. So this is what I am just taking everything outside here and writing, that is 15 minus 2 multiplied by 2. So first you have to do the multiplication. So here it comes as 15 minus 4, multiplication means 2 2s are 4. So here you are getting it as 11. So that common bracket, or we will say simple bracket, we got the answer as 11. So we have to substitute that. 46 minus 26 minus in the curly bracket 14 minus that answer we are writing, okay, 11 we are writing the answer, and then closing all the brackets. I hope it's clear. Understood? First we did the bar bracket, 4 divided by 2, we got 2 as answer here, this one, and one more 2 is there, don't forget about that 2, we wrote that 2 here itself, and then we found the answer for this common bracket, or we say simple bracket, 15 minus 2 multiplied by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 15 minus 4 is 11, so we got this 11. Okay, now 46, which one you have to do? This you have to do, 14 minus 11, because that is inside the curly bracket. After common bracket you have to do the curly bracket. So 14 minus 11, what is 14 minus 11? It is 3, you will get 3 as answer. So 46 minus 26 minus 3. I hope it is clear. So the curly bracket, the problem inside the curly bracket is done. So we got the answer as 3. And now you are having this square bracket. Now you have to do this one. What is 26 minus 3? That is 23. 26 minus 3 is 23. So 46 minus 23. Now only one operation is there, that is minus sign. So you have to subtract it. When 46 is subtracted by 23, what you will get? You will get answer as 23. I hope you got it. Now we will go for, this is only whole number 1. You will do with the fractions. Only example I am giving you for you to know how to do the brackets and of all the things which coming under board mass. So here 4 types of brackets are coming. So that is first one, bar. So bar bracket we did, we got 2 as answer, and then we did the common one. Common we got it as, common bracket we got the answer as 11, and then we did the curly bracket, we got it as 3, and then we did the simplified, what is inside this square bracket, we got it as 23, and then only one operation is left there, that is subtraction. We subtracted, we got it as 23. Okay, so this game is over. So we will go for the next game. So let us start the fourth game. Ready for that? Okay. 10 1 by 2 minus, in a square bracket, 8 1 by 2 plus curly bracket 6 minus simple bracket 7 minus, then comes a bar bracket 6 minus 4, then we are closing all the brackets. Okay. So now here, first what you have to do, here it is a fraction forms are coming and also the whole number form is coming. So we will convert this into improper fraction. So this is equal to 10 means it is 21 by 2, then 16, 17 by 2 plus, here it is minus is coming, I will just write it. 21 by 2 minus square bracket 17 by 2 plus curly bracket 6 minus simple bracket 7 minus, and inside bar bracket 6 minus 4, closing all the brackets. Okay. Now what we have to do, the first step, bar bracket. Simplify the numbers under bar bracket. Bar bracket, what is there? 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. 6 minus 4, so we got 2. So again we have to write all these things once again. Okay, 21 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus curly brackets 6 minus 7 minus 6 minus 4. What we got? 2. Okay, we closed this and then closed all the bracket. Okay, now we have to simplify what is 7 minus 2. So what is 7 minus 2? The next step, 7 minus 2 is 5. So we got the answer as 5 there. Again we are writing all the numbers. Six minus 7 by 2 is 5. So we closed the curly bracket and the square bracket. Now we have to do 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? 6 minus 5 is 1. So 21 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 1. So all the other brackets are over. Bar bracket is over. Simple bracket is over. Curly bracket is over. Now only square bracket is left. But in square bracket there is 17 by 2, one fraction is coming and one whole number is coming. Addition, so you have to make it into like fractions, or you have to find the LCM and then you have to add it. So 17 by 2 plus 1, 2 is the LCM here. So 17 plus 2 by 2, that is 19 by 2. Okay, so here comes writing here, I'll write 21 by 2 minus 19 by 2. Easy one, because here both denominators are same. 2 is coming denominator, so they are like fractions. So you can easily do the subtraction here. 21 by 2 minus 19 by 2, that is 21 minus 19 whole divided by 2. You will be getting the answer as what? 3 or 2. 2, isn't it? 2 by 2. We are getting the answer as 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means, sorry, 2 by 2 means what? It is unity, it is 1. So we got the answer as 1. So the fourth game is also over. I will just explain once again. So we are having fractions and we are having the numbers, whole numbers here. Brackets, 4 types of brackets are there. Which are they? Bar bracket, simple bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. So according to the rule what we studied earlier, which bracket we have to simplify first? Bar bracket. So 6 minus 4. So what we did? 6 minus 4, we got 2. So we wrote it in the next step 2 here after doing the operation. Then we have to solve which one? The simple bracket. So simple bracket comes 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we wrote the full step here. 7 minus 2, 5 we wrote it inside the curly bracket. So 6 minus 5. Next one we have to solve 6 minus 5. So we solved 6 minus 5, what we got? We got 1 as the answer, and then we did the bar bracket, square bracket. Square bracket, here one is fraction, other one is a whole number. So we found the LCM, we got it as 19 by 2. And then subtraction of like fractions, very simple. 21 minus 19, you got it as 2 there. So 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Is it clear? Okay. So now we will go for the fifth game. So we are playing games here. Okay. Just consider it as games and you have to solve each game. So we are going for the fifth game now. So from exercise 3D, sixth problem. Exercise 3D, we are doing the sixth problem from that. 1 or 2 I will do it here. Rest you have to do it as homework. Okay. So here comes, what is the question here? Sixth question. 1 by 5 divided by, in curly bracket, 2 1 by 3 minus in a common bracket, what is coming? 5 plus 2 minus 3 is under the bar bracket and closing all the two brackets, and then minus 3 1 by 2. Here only 3 brackets are coming, not 4 brackets, only 3 brackets are coming. Which are they? Bar bracket, then simple bracket, and then the curly bracket. Okay. So first we will just change these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 5, here it is 6 by 5 divided by curly bracket 2 1 by 3. What is 2 1 by 3? It is 7 by 3 minus common bracket 5 plus 2 minus 3 closing it minus 6 7 by 2. I hope you got it. So I am just drawing the working column here next to that section. Okay. Now which one you have to do first? 2 minus 3. I hope you are thorough with the integers. You didn't forget about integers. Don't forget that. I told you, you have to revise it. It is coming along with the problems. All the problems there will come negative integers. So please don't forget to revision of your integer chapter. Okay, again and again you just go through the integer chapter and just revise it while you are sitting without any work. Okay. So 2 minus 3, you have to do first the 2 minus 3. What is 2 minus 3? It is negative 1. Okay, it is negative 1. 6 by 5 divided by, the same way we are writing, 7 by 3 minus 5 plus negative 1 closing it 7 by 2. Okay. Now which one you have to do? The common. Oh sorry, here I didn't draw the common bracket, close to the common bracket. Okay. Now we have to do the, what is there inside the common bracket, that is 5 plus negative 1, that is equal to 4. You have to subtract 5 plus negative 1. One is a positive integer, another one is a negative integer. So you have to subtract it, you got it as 4. So you will write there as 4. 6 by 5 divided by 7 by 3 minus 4 minus 7 by 2. Now here we have to do 7 by 3 minus 4. Okay, 7 by 3 minus 4. So 3 is the LCM here. So 7 minus 4 and 4 3s are 12. So I am writing only 12 here. So that is 3. So 7 minus 12. What is 7 minus 12? Negative 5 by 3. So there also we are getting a negative integer. So here 6 by 5 divided by negative 5 by 3. So we are getting negative 5 by 3 minus 7 by 2. What is next? Here division and subtraction is coming, but here we have to follow the which rule? D Maths rule. According to that, division we have to do first. Okay. So we will do the division part here. This one, how you will do it? 6 by 5 divided by negative 5 by 3. 6 by 5 divided by negative 5 by 3, that is 6 by 5 multiplied by negative 3 by 5. What is here answer you are getting? Negative 18 by 25. Negative 18 by 25. So here we will write negative 18 by 25 minus 7 by 2. Negative 18 by 25 minus 7 by 2. Now here again you have to find the LCM. What will be the LCM here? The LCM is 50. 25 and 2. You will get the LCM as 50. Here we will go for minus 18 into 2 minus 7 into 25 by 50. What you will get here? Negative 18 into 2, that is 36. Here it is negative 36 minus 7 into 25. What is 7 into 25? It is 175 by 50. So negative 18 into 2 we are getting negative 36 minus 7 into 25 we are getting 175. So minus 36 minus 175, you have to add it together. What you will get here? 1, 10, 11, 1, 211, negative 211 by 50. You will get negative 211 by 50. So here we are writing it as negative 211 by 50. Here you have to divide it and write. Negative sign, how it came, I hope you know that. That is, here it is a minus sign number, here also a minus sign. So adding you will get a negative number itself. So we got it negative 211 by 50, which in turn when you divide this 211 divided by 50, what you will get? You will get it as 411 by 50, that is negative, because it is a negative number, negative 211 by 50. Clear? Okay. So the answer here it is coming as negative 411 by 50. I hope it is clear. Once again I will just explain it. Till here I think it is easy for you. That is, first we did the bar bracket, 2 minus 3 we got it as negative 1 here. Then we simplified what is inside the simple bracket, 5 plus negative 1 you got it as 4. And then we simplified 7 by 13 minus 4, we got it as negative 5 by 3. Then division is coming, so we got it as negative 18 by 25 minus 7 by 2. Here you have to do the division, not division, sorry, you have to do the subtraction. How you did it? We have to find the LCM, make it into like fraction, and then you have to do the operation what is there. So we got LCM as 50, then 18 minus 18 into 2 you got it as 36, then 7 into 25 you got as 175. Two signs, they are negative signs, minus signs are coming. So if two numbers having minus signs, what you will do? You will be adding it. So that negative 211 by 50 you got. So I wrote it here, negative 211 by 50. And then again we divided this 211 by 50, we got the answer as 411 by 50. And here the negative sign is there. So in the answer also we wrote the negative sign. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now towards the 8th question, we will do this one more question, that is 8th one from the exercise 3D. The question is 6 by 5 of 3 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 2 divided by 2 5 by 21 minus 2. Here two brackets, here two symbol brackets are there, and then off is there. So what you have to do first? whatever, how many brackets were coming, you have, and off is coming, first you have to do the brackets, then only we will go for off and other operations. Here two simple brackets are coming, one by one we will do it. So first we will convert this mixed fractions into improper fraction and then we will do it. So here this is equal to 6 by 5 off, here it is 10 by 3, common bracket, don't forget to put this simple bracket, here it is 5 by 2 divided by 21 2s are 42, 42 plus 5 is 47 by 21 minus 2. Okay, so we change this mixed fractions into improper fractions and we wrote it. Now one by one each brackets we will do it. Together I am not going to do it because it will be difficult for you. You can also do in the same way. Those who find it easy to do all both together, you can do it, but I am going to do it one by one. So I will first do this one. Okay, so that is equal to, here the working space I am going to draw 47 by 21 minus 2. Here LCM is 21. So that is 47 minus 2 21s are 42 by 21. You will get the answer here as 5 by 21. So 6 by 5 of 10 by 3 minus 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 21. Okay, clear? Now we will go for the next bracket, that is this one, 10 by 3 minus 5 by 2. 10 by 3 minus 5 by 2. Here 3 and 2. What is LCM? LCM is 6. So here you have to multiply with 2. So 2 tens are 20 minus, here you, this term you have to multiply with 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. I hope you got it. So this one is 6 by 5 of 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 21. Now which one you have to do? We have to do off. This operation you have to do, that is a multiplication. So 6 by 5, here you will do it. 6 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 6, you will get it as, everything will go, so you will get 1, right? 5 will go, 5 will go in 5 one time, 6 will go in 6 one time, so we are getting it as 1. So here 1 divided by 5 by 21. Now division is coming, only one operation, that is division. So what you have to do here, divide it. So 1 divided by 5 by 21, what does that mean? 1 into reciprocal of 5 by 21, which is 21 by 5. So the answer is, we are getting it as 21 by 5. 1 multiplied by 21 by 5 is 21 by 5 itself. So here you are getting, and again you have to convert this into mixed fraction to the lowest form, you will get as 4 1 by 5. I hope it's clear to you. So two brackets are coming here, two different brackets, that is only the bracket is only the simple fraction bracket, but two places the same bracket is coming. Here one is coming, the other place is there, and then off is also coming. So we did the bracket, simplified the bracket one by one. First we did this one and we got it as 5 by 21, and then we did this bracket, so we got it 5 by 6, and then according to board mass, off will come first. So off we did it, so we got the answer as 1, and then divided by 5 by 21, you got the answer as 21 by 5, that's equal to 4 1 by 5. I hope board mass is clear to you with different brackets. Okay, so we will be doing more problems, that is I will give you homeworks, you can do it, and if there is any doubt, please ask, so that I can clear it off. Okay, so the questions for homework will be given just after this class. Thank you.